Cool, so now we are staying in a very quiet little town about an hour out of, what's the word, Bath. So we've just come from Cornwall, spent a couple hours in Exeter on our way through. And now, check this out. What a cute little place. So I might go for a quick little wander just to see what's around. It's been good to get a little bit of a rest in. Now that I've got the family visiting, I'm going to get around just for this week. And then sort of keep going how I've been going for the last few months. Got a holiday trip planned in August, about 2 months away. And then another few more months down the line, and then we'll be off again for round 4 or so. Oh look, there's a kitty cat. Distracted already. Look, just under there. Little baby kitty cat. Now if I had to take a guess, that would be Bath. I think. At least anywhere along this area. Because the family's abandoned me over that side. You can probably see the menace one that's there waving. So we're at the Roman Baths in Bath, funnily enough. Funnily enough, that's where the name came from, I'm assuming. I've been here a couple of years ago. It hasn't really changed all that much, but I always was surprised about the greenness of the water at the moment. It looks kind of icky. This is the main bath. Main bath in Bath from the bottom. Yeah, that green water worries me a little. Oh.
Geez, these phones do some really nice photos.
Down that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Why not? Hang on. Hold your horses. You ready?
Yup. Oh, dang. That looks really cool.
That does look really cool.
No idea how this works, but we'll enjoy it. He's looking very serious over there. Oh yeah, a guy was doing it with his wife. Oh, so this is going to be a weird one. I'm going to be playing with falcons. Whew. Uh-oh. Oh, look at them, they're so cool. There's a falcon. Oh. Yo. It's kind of a weird looking one.
I put my arms through, lifting him back out again, because that was quite a silly choice. Don't do it again. Is that good there? No, thank you, Charlie. No, thank you. You don't desperately want to climb through the stinging efforts today, my boy. Yeah, tell me about it. So bless him. Yeah. Oh. You very nearly came to line up. So he's had 3 offers flying nicely. Good boy, good catch, bud. Bless him. And this doesn't cause him any distress at all. He's a happy lad. Well done, Charlie. Come on then. There you go.
Of course.
Then, buddy.
But She's the shortest one here.
Ooh, transmitter, mate. That's not much good, is it? Come here, funny bud. I think I might have something for you. Hey, you. Yeah, it's a good look for you. It is a weird thing, isn't it? Having a hawk on your head.
She was terribly impressed.
Yeah.
You happy with him up there?
Yes.
Thank you. It is a weird thing, isn't it? Incoming.
Nope.
There you go. Good boy, Charlie.
Nice.
Good job, bud. But you'll still see him being quite lazy sometimes. Sometimes he won't even make it to the tree. He flies over, he turns around and comes back. Boy. He's great fun, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, I expect him just to come in and just belt straight into the arm, but he's...
You expect it, don't you? He used to hit the glove really hard.
Oh.
Because they've not quite got that expertise of slowing themselves up quite a lot.
Right, I think I dropped it.
Whereas,
Yeah, I did.
is it on the ground, bud? No.
Nope.
Is it down here? Oh, matey, is it there?
Yeah, it's down there.
See it anywhere.
Missed it, mate.
Charlie. Experience team. We've got several hawks who fly for experiences, lots of owls who fly for experiences. But there's also a fair few birds who... There he is.
Nom nom.
Good job, buddy. Well done, Charlie. Well done, Liz.
Hey, back
Chosen one. Chosen
We got a
one.
favourite.
Good boy, Charlie.
Love it.
Come on, go back to the tree.
You're obviously the most comfortable looking head.
Yep.
In fact, the other day, it did crack me up. I was working with him and his best friend Travis, who's our other Harris hawk. And I went to go and give Travis some food and knelt down next to him.